I'm now a free man by Mama message to a Kwabena say.
For AYɛKa Ghana and TV make sure now like a commentary, subscribe and turn on notifications so that anytime videos basically say we ever now was AYɛKa. Yo, for Eeeii Fante Comedy. They say there he's a free man. He has survived. I said Daniel, a bra called the Den of Lions no mono. Yeah, nah. Okay, no one himself will survive and I say unsurvive, but was surviving. Now, I say Eeeii say there what Kwabena so I be stubborn academy for president. Stubborn academy. I didn't hear. Obia akwakodem be 1 week ni. Aye bia abubo asum kakra no. Afi de upia. Instead so be ka se o rade me da se na wo na wo ko no. Afi de o si debut onu de. Agya Kwabena e na odi na asem ko ne so. Aden ya. O si Agya Kwabena no. Sa papa na ne titi se o jointi no. Yomura no. O se sa papa na oto ye friend say wachi e wo Kumasi. Na onu Fante say ayayi nu de. Agya Kwabena ye ni course akosted ye wo prison hono. E say wo hono de remand for mo hwi na sum easy. Enti ye hwi na sum no, ye hwi na sum no say ukwa ko ka che Agya Kwabena say obi akoto wache no biom. Ukwa ka che Agya Kwabena say obi akoto wache no biom. Tisana ye de hwi ni tisa e o remand hono. Enti abranche na opa chance na okọ dem no say wa ba de. On pa cho biom. Enti Agya Kwabena na fi say ye ni we last week there ye dedicate last week ni nyina ama AYɛKa ya adwene nyina kyerɛ. But they say the nipa you see nipa the person with the wound no ono na ya ohun wound na okay say nipa say ni say na hear me say they say nipa all the other no hear na ya Fante Comedy I feel na we pie and you say we pie there I feel on be starting with 1 week celebration ama na yes so there or starting the sa yes meet na actually say there be nkasa and Fante nya start pe yes so be ka ne ho na aye no kesi ama Agya Kwabena me very very much sure say with all these things that Agya Kwabena is going through na him say a week we there and can recall Professor Violent Kisasu and I say yakonama but we are Fante as some Babeka say Agya Kwabena nkwande we are going back to Agya Kwabena until further notice. Now I'm very much sure say yeah we win now and everything is settled when the dust settles now. Agya Kwabena or share microphone or who microphone or be drink twice as an obekasa. Now we so ekoma account for mu account for no ebra Agya Kwabena wa UTV na din ko say mu nka obi mo edin mo obi ambeka say oya igbeni enen kwa na oba misbehavior Venus obi adi na asem ko ne so no afi na mo so oya igbeni me pa mo so oya igbeni bia oye akenni enti ema obi anfa Agya Kwabena be share so say of the voter region on free voter region of the Krobensi of voter region mu de ade boni de mu de ma voter for there be voter ni be na ye fe no Agya Kwabena mu voter ni bia ye fe no Agya Kwabena da enti ye mpe no ye nim no voter ho be bia ni busu ni bia ni voter ni busu onfo nyina mu eastern Ashanti any central any western enti o ya kenni mfa madie mfa mu musio nko ye mpe no ye mpe yomoro abia wo voter region mu hwe no mi wo yomu debi ye mpe yomoro abia wo voter region busu onfo. Let's go and listen to whatever Fante Comedy has to say. Makramo.
Fante, are you not a free man? Oh, I'm now a free man by Mama message to a Agya Kwabena say. My ba, you my no, me ba betwaso. UTV Agya Kwabena. Not of Fadras or Kumasi no Bakra. Memo as Yakoton. Mesa wo ko to kwa mu be hu.
Wo ka shen say ya babo.
Oh, and then what's the story?
That's true. And you are here saying Akufo-Addo was smuggling gold. You are talking about turbidity. Just this past week, I was in a presentation with the professors about antibiotics resistance. And it's now found out that one of the reasons why some of the antibiotics that we are using are no longer working is because Ghana Water Company is using high levels of chemicals. And some of these chemicals
in purifying the water.
So in the end, you are having water flowing through your tap, okay, that has parasites and microbacteria that are developing resistance to chemicals that already come into your system. So you go and buy the antibiotics from the hospital, and it is not working because the parasites have mutated. And these are issues that we are talking about. So if you are saying that turbidity is better, so if I ask you right now, what's the turbidity of water coming through Ghana Water, will you be able to mention it? So when we come to radio, let's ensure that we are being factual and address the main issue. The main issue is that as at the time MPP was fighting this galamsey thing, if you had come on board, we wouldn't be here today. That is the main issue.
So you are calling for a dual work to fight the illegal
So I'm
mining.
saying that however they beat the drum, we'll dance accordingly. If he's beating the political drum, then we'll dance politically, which means that we saw the like of Tony Obin in the galamsey pit. Didn't you see him saying that when they come, he's the one they were going to appoint at Mineral Commission, and so the moment they hear John Mahama declare president, they should all go back into that. So these are some of the leading causes of what happened in Obuasi and others. We saw the president himself say when he comes, he will grant amnesty. Is that not so? So when you come and galamseyers are feeling all the way empowered and they are going in, and you have your party people, what is going to mind you? Public hospital for that matter. And all these things, you see a health minister who is only concerned about TikTok, about content creation. One thing that has happened, I hear helicopter crash way that we are all grieving, we were all grieving. No? Health minister Nkwandie as so who camera now yen in some star be now nante to say obi a piano from the back or untimi chire. Meanwhile, pregnant women and mothers who have delivered are stranded at the various hospitals because of Muniska. And these are the things that I'm expecting health minister to quickly be addressing. If someone goes to the hospital now or it goes to give birth now on his car, there should be a way out that the state will intervene. This is what Akufo did not want. This is what Akufo did not want. This is what Dr. Kwabena did not want. And Akufo-Addo, Dr. Baumia, you go to the hospital, you are going to give birth, and you know that you are, after giving birth, all you need is good health, and you are going back home. What is changing? What has changed? Just 8 months. You say, why are people staying in the hospital for 2 months because they don't have money? What is happening?